MBA करनी है बट जॉब के साथ साथ ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो वाई नॉट गो फॉर अ डिस्टेंस MBA इन आगरा। जी हाँ, डिस्टेंस MBA कॉलेजेस इन आगरा आर ग्रेट फॉर गेटिंग अ डिग्री इन MBA। तो चलिए आज डिस्कस करते हैं टॉप डिस्टेंस MBA कॉलेजेस इन आगरा। दयाल बाग एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट. This institute offers a very affordable distance MBA course in Agra. The course fees is just 12,000 and the course duration is 2 years. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. Course का motive है to create a senior level efficiency in management among students. Amit University. Amit University is famous for its curriculum that combines theoretical knowledge with the industrial trends and learnings. The course fees is 1,79,000 and the course duration is 2 years. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. If we talk about its feature, its key feature includes online learning platforms and well-structured curriculum. Uttar Pradesh Rajshri Tandon Open University. This university provides a top-notch education with high academic standards. The course fees is 36,000 and the course duration is 2 years. Key feature includes flexibility, convenience and experienced faculty. Integral University. Integral University is a great university which offers live and recorded classes for a distance MBA program. It also offers a flexible fee program and convenient placement opportunities. Integral University से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 54,700 and the course duration is 2 years. The learning system is online. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. If we talk about its key feature includes convenience and it is excellent for working individuals. Indira Gandhi National Open University. Indira Gandhi National Open University is a distance MBA college which has a high reputation as it offers a high quality online education opportunities. यहाँ से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 62,000 and the learning system is hybrid. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A++. Key feature includes flexibility and a wide range of specializations. Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj University offers a prestigious distance learning courses. यहाँ से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 76,400 and the course duration is 2 years. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A++. The university focused on industrial learning and skills development. Manipal University. Manipal University is a great university which offers live and recorded classes for a distance MBA program. यहाँ से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 1,75,000 and the course duration is 2 years. The mode of education is distance and the learning system is online. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A++. Key feature includes convenience, reputed university, flexibility, and it's great for working professionals. All these colleges and universities are affiliated with UGC, DEP, AICTE and National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Lastly, the eligibility criteria for all these colleges and universities includes a bachelor's degree with minimum 3 years of duration with at least 50% aggregates, 45% for reserved category. For more information, please reach out to Neve Education's website. Think online, think Neve.